What's up, everybody? Welcome back. New decade 2020. I love driving in traffic, you know, chilling. Grab a blue car, a little bit of a loud exhaust. You know, you're just cruising. It's traffic time here in Orlando. Everybody thinks it's a race. Everybody sees my car and they just go and they just start cutting through cars and everything. Show me how fast their cars are. Anyways, in December, went to the Mexico, had some fun, drove some cars. Here's a raw video of me driving Kristina's Camaro SS 1 LE manual. Trying to drive it. You think I could drive it? I don't know. We had to use some zip ties, but I don't know. Check out the video and we'll talk a little bit more about it afterwards, yeah?
If you're gonna fuck it up, just make sure you fuck it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't leave anything left.
Yeah, no, don't leave nothing left.
Just don't kill us. Oh, are we recording? Oh. Hello.
You said cheer for your dad.
He wanted to go and Poppy won't let him go.
If it's in first.
It'll right there, the one.
Is it up or down?
It's down to turn it off. Just like your e-brake, it's down when it's off, up when it's on.
Fancy, Javi. Us Mustangs ain't got that.
I want to feel how when it goes.
You'll feel it catch.
There you go. Is it rolling or is it
There it
catching?
goes. It's getting there. There it goes. It's caught. See what I mean? Like butter. Now you have to get it probably did. Oh, it let you. Okay, good.
What?
Nothing. You're good.
I have to get what?
It has a gas saving feature that's annoying as shit. And sometimes it won't let you go into second if you're not high enough in the RPMs. Yeah, that's what I like about them.
I'm really in the seat.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I gotta figure this out. Do you have lumbar support somewhere?
No.
Great.
That would be the Recaros.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to see like how to. I feel like it failed. That goes in so quick.
Mm-hmm. Factory short shifter. There we go. See, there's the gas saving thing.
Skip to fourth, is that what it says?
Yes, it tries to get you to skip to fourth. That's how they get around the gas guzzler tax. It's annoying as shit.
You turn that shit off.
You have to put a little plug on the transmission. I just rev past it, honestly.
Are those cracks in the pump?
Yes, they're factory. They built all that shit in factory.
That's nice.
Nice and smooth. Oh!
This is like the show me. This thing grips.
Yeah, it does. Grips for days. We're not even in track mode. I got Marty sick over here about running off the coast. Over that pothole.
Oh yeah!
Got shit flying all over.
This car can boot as fuck. How come my car don't do this shit?
Chevy made mine do this.
Huh?
Chevy made mine They built it for this shit.
Look at this.
I've got all kinds of things flying around in the back. I don't even know what the hell.
Honey, I want for Christmas.
Right? Top of your Christmas list. In track mode now. It's made for this. Sport is made for drag strip.
Okay.
I noticed it while you were going. I said, screw it.
Give me a second. My leg needs a break.
Oh, okay.
Woo. Like, this would be awesome if I could, like, my arms are too, I need to go like a further out, but if I push it out, it's gonna hit here.
Right.
Other than that, like, this thing grips. God damn.
Why I like it.
Why did I drive it?
Well, and the thing is, if you get on inclined turns, like an on-ramp or off-ramp, you can actually feel it plant. Like, it will actually sink. You can feel it. It's awesome. It's so badass.
That's fine.
We're all over the fucking place.
You can point the camera anywhere, it doesn't matter. I'm having fun. This thing is awesome. Yeah! Oh, why did I clutch that shit? Look at that. Man, I'm officially jealous.
Gotta drive it one time before he gets rid of it.
Bobby's clutch is super low, and Marty's clutch is super high.
Mine's
Marty's
right where it's
clutch
supposed to be.
needs like a lot of gas.
Yes, it wants it. That's the whole thing with his gas. It wants you to go. That's the whole.
This is like.
This one's right. It's perfect. It's right where it's supposed to be.
But I like how, like, if I throw my car in like that, it grips a little bit. Like when this one, when you throw it in, it's just like, oh yeah, we're here, we're good.
That's the Magna Ride.
You know? Mine gets in the corner, but then you feel the whole weight of the car go.
Yeah.
This one just like, oh yeah, we're good. Let's go.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we're good. Let's
exactly.
Go. Let's keep going. You're good.
Yeah, this one is it wants to.
This is
It wants to crouch and go. Yeah.
Alright, so neutral and then up or down?
Up. There it is. You're good. Yep. And then off.
Whoa.
Alright, let me disconnect you. There you go. That should be the only one that we have to.
This is an easy clutch too to drive.
Exactly. That's what I told him. I said, you should feel my clutch.
Yeah.
That's how this happened.
Huh?
Oh. Yeah, he had some in his trunk. In case somebody ever wants to let him drive a manual. He keeps the scissors and the zip ties. Dave, we were driving around, he said, okay, I'm officially jealous.
Yeah.
This is not even fair.
This car is stupid, man.
Feels good, right?
It's not even fair. Like, This is what to get to fucking do like.
And it's so torquey.
So that was fun, yeah. Driving her car was awesome. That Magna ride, that car grabs and it just stays, no body roll. It's crazy. And I pushed it a bit to have some fun with it. So when I drove Marty's car, I was learning on that car, and it was a stage 3 clutch. So you're releasing like high, but it wanted like gas. Like if you would have put gas, it'd be like buckling everywhere.
There you go. Come on. We're gonna park it. Come on. There we go.
And then Bobby's car, if you move the clutch a bit and you're not on the gas, the car's. Oh yeah, see how it disengages a little bit. Stalling. That clutch had no movement at all. And on Bobby's car, I didn't zip tie my leg. So if you saw the video, you know what happened there. Nobody's coming. I want to see if I can. Oh, my foot came off the clutch. Shit. And in Bobby's car, I drove it first. I should have let him drive it first and me be shotgun, so I could have a feel for how the car felt, because it's a forward drive car, and it's a different feeling than the Mustangs and Camaros and stuff that we drive in Mexico. So I drove the car first. I was learning how to shift and stuff, and I drove it, but I'm pretty sure, I'm not pretty sure, I know I wasn't pushing it at all. But when he drove it, I was like, oh shoot, I definitely babied his car. But when I drove Kristina's car, we zip tied the leg to the clutch. Once I threw a couple shifts around and I know we were good there. Well, you saw the video. I was having fun. Car was on rails. That Magna ride just adjusts, no body roll, no nothing. And every turn I kept pushing a little harder, without, it's not my car. But it was fun. I loved it. If you're looking to do track stuff, you definitely want a car with Magna ride. I drove her car with Magna ride. Now I want to drive Jorge's car, the Performance Pack 2 Gen 3. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. That's 3 manual cars I've driven so far. The V6 when it was Procharged, Marty with the Stage 3, the Focus ST from Bobby, and then Kristina's Camaro SS1 Elite. And so far, all 3 of them have been fun. I've pushed some more than others because, the more manual cars I drive, the more comfortable I get using my leg on a clutch. If it's zip tied, even better. So, yeah, let's see what other cars I'll be able to drive in the future and have some fun with it. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and just comment whatever you want. Hasta next time. Peace. Rob, I'm coming to pick your car up. I'll leave you this one. Maybe.